In our last video, we covered the top and bottom of a wall detail for air tightness. I wanted to just focus because there were a few questions about how the air barrier continues up the wall for the tight plate. Let's get into some of this detail. So we've got our air tightness from the slab to the tight plate gasket, which runs around the actual bottom plate, onto the back of the OSB plyboard, which then gives us an air tightness to the wrap, the vapor permeable wrap, which I'll show you and demonstrate how that actually gets applied, because we missed that in a bit of detail in the last video. The other thing to make sure of is to make sure that the plyboard is made airtight around the whole perimeter of a building. That way this will actually work. The whole idea of this is we want to make it as easy as possible for the brickie to put their damp course under this flap to comply with building regulations here in Australia. So George, come here and apply the tape so that we can show everyone how we get this air tightness from the plyboard up the wall to the top plate. So to make up this connection, you really need to peel back the tape on the Proctor external wrap or the external vapor permeable wrap. This allows for you to get the wrap to sort of sit up for you so that you can apply the tape, and then you can let it down after you've applied the tape. The ideal tape to use is a Tack Plus. This gives you your connection to the OSB board straight onto the back side of the vapor permeable wrap, and then from there this is where the damp course is going to flip straight under into this flap. So you can use a 75mm, which gives you a little bit more bite on the OSB board, or you can use a 60mm, which is what we've used here. Now you've got a nice rigid surface here you can apply the tape back to and on. You just got to make sure that you use a roller to really roll them out. So now with that flap in place on the external vapor permeable wrap, sometimes the brickies need to have this in different areas depending on where the bricks are in the wall system. So this gives them the flexibility that they need. For all the products within this build-up design, go to tighthouse.com.au to purchase the bottom plate connectivity, the top plate connectivity, as well as all the tapes and wraps that go with it.